Hello students. So now fungal cell wall. In fungi, mycelial wall is composed of chitin, which is a polymer of acetyl glucosamine units. Chitin molecules occur in bundle-like cellulose molecules. Okay. So what is fungal cell wall? In fungi, mycelial wall is composed of chitin, which is a polymer of acetyl glucosamine. Unit. Okay. Chitin molecules occur in bundles like cellulose molecules. Now, cellulose thickening. It is found in the secondary cell wall of parenchyma cells and in flax and cotton fibers. Sabedin occurs in the wall of cork cells and lignin in xylem vessels, tracheids and sclerenchyma fibers. Okay. So, here it's a small note about cellulose thickenings. Is found in the secondary cell wall of parenchyma. Parenchyma cells and in flax and cotton fibers. Sabedin occurs in the wall of cork cells and lignin in xylem vessels and lignin in xylem vessels. Xylem vessels, tracheids. and sclerenchyma fibers. Sclerenchyma fibers. Okay. Now, prokaryotic cell wall. In bacteria, cell wall is formed of peptidoglycans which are formed of non-cellulosic polysaccharide carbohydrate chains linked by specific amino acids. Penicillin and other antibiotics interfere with the formation of cell wall in bacteria. Therefore, these inhibit growth of bacteria. So now, in bacteria, cell wall is formed of peptidoglycans. Peptidoglycans, which are formed of non-cellulosic polysaccharide carbohydrate. Non-cellulosic polysaccharide carbohydrate chains linked by specific amino acids. Linked by specific amino acids. Penicillin. Penicillin and other antibiotics interfere with the formation of cell wall in bacteria. Therefore, these inhibit growth of bacteria. Therefore, these inhibit growth of bacteria. Functions of cell wall. It provides mechanical support to the delicate cells. It protects plasma membrane. It maintains the cell shape, protects the cells against the osmotic pressure exerted by the cell contents, and thus prevents Expansion of cell. It helps in translocation of water and other substances through xylem vessels and tracheids. It plays an important role in the cell expansion. It is involved in many enzymatic activities. Cutin and savarin prevent loss of water by evaporation. It protects the cell against pathogens. It allows enlargement in the size of cell. So, these are the functions of cell 1. So, now again functions of cell 1. First one is it provides mechanical support to the delicate cells. Delicate cells. So it provides mechanical support to the delicate cells. Now next, it protects plasma membrane. Next, it maintains the cell shape. Maintains the cell shape. Next, protects these cells against the osmotic pressure. Protect the cells against the osmotic pressure. Exerted by the cell content. And thus prevents expansion of cell. It helps in translocation of water. Next, it helps in translocation of water and another substances. It helps in translocation of water and other substances through xylem vessels and tracheids. And tracheids. plays an important role in cell expansion. It plays an important role in cell expansion. It is involved in many enzymatic activities. It is involved in many enzymatic activities. Cutin and suberin prevent loss of water by evaporation. Cutin and suberin prevent loss of water by Cutin and suberin prevent loss of water by evaporation. Next, it protects cell against pathogen. It protects cell against pathogen. And next, it allows enlargement in the size of cell. It allows enlargement in the size of cell. So now here these are the functions of cell wall. Now next we need to know about cell coat. What is it? In many protistian and animal cells, in many protistan and animal cells there is a filamentous coating. There is a filamentous coating of glycolipids and glycoproteins. Coating of glycolipids and glycoprotein lying outside the plasma membrane. Lying outside the plasma membrane. It is 10 to 20 nm thick and is called cell coat or extracellular matrix or glycocalyx. It is 10 to 20 nanometer thick and is called cell coat or extracellular matrix or extracellular matrix or ECM or glycocalyx or glycocalyx. So this is known as cell coat or extracellular matrix or glycocalyx. Okay, now I'm going to finish here. So now bye students.